Thank you for free gift. Peach and passion fruit.
Ice and coffee in
Hot
my
water.
hand. The coolness and the warmth blend. A moment of peace I find in this special treat of mine. The ice cubes clink and shine.
Wait for minutes.
Coffee aroma so fine. A combination so divine makes my
Lemon
heart
and
unwind.
mint leaves.
I take a sip, close my eyes, savoring the flavors as they
Sugar
rise.
syrup.
The bitter, the sweet.
Lemon juice. Passion fruit syrup. Frozen H2O. Shake well. Iced tea with passion
Coffee in
fruit
my
and
hand.
peach.
The coolness and the warmth blend. A moment of peace.